gum Arabic can be in 3 grade levels. You have grade 1, you have grade 2, and you have grade 3. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. And this grade Good day, my name is Dila Yimibo, and thank you very much for stopping by to hear what we have to say as far as trade is concerned today. Remember, all we discuss on this show is international trade. It's all about international trade. In today's episode, we'll be continuing on the conversation we started before now, and that conversation we started before now is tagged how to export different products from Nigeria. We have looked at how to export cocoa. We have looked at how to export cashew. We have looked at how to export ginger. We have looked at how to export sesame seed. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to export gum Arabic. How to export gum Arabic. How to export gum Arabic. Now, we've been discussing it under 5 headings, but I've added 2 more to it. So instead of just discussing it under the product quality specification, and then purchaser, then the potential market size, then the pricing issues, then the problem, I've added packaging, and then I've added paperwork. Packaging and paperwork. Packaging and paperwork. Let's start. So the first is on the product quality specification. Product quality specification. By the way, gum Arabic is a natural gum that is harvested from the exterior of acacia tree in form of dry, hard nodules, up to about 50 mm in diameter and ranging in color from almost colorless to brown. Almost colorless to brown. And it has unique properties that enable it to be used in wide variety of industry, from food production to beverages to pharmaceuticals to other industrial applications. If for any reason you have taken capsule before as a drug, most likely you have taken gum Arabic. Most likely you have taken gum Arabic. Most likely you have taken gum Arabic. If you have taken capsule before, most likely you have taken gum Arabic. Let's look at the product quality issue. Specification. Purity is expected to be 98%. That means impurity should not be more than 2%. Moisture content should be between 10 to 12% maximum. Total ash content is expected to be between 4 and 6% maximum. Acid insoluble residue is expected to be 0.4% maximum. Salmonella should be negative. E. coli should be negative. These are bacteria. Tannin bearing gum also should be negative. Remember, all these play out when it comes to the issue of pricing. All these play out when it comes to the issue of pricing. For example, if the purity level, I'm talking about pricing now, I'll come to potential later. If the purity level is lower than 98%, some people might make deduction from your price. If the moisture level is more than 12%, some people might make deduction from your price. And the gum Arabic can be in 3 grade levels. You have grade 1, you have grade 2, and you have grade 3. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. And this grade are based on the characteristics, particularly the level of purity and cleanliness. And like I said, they all have impact on price. They all have impact on price. Now, let's look at the market size of gum Arabic. Market size of gum Arabic is very, very small. Very, very small. Total market size is just about $363 million. Very small. $363 million. Out of this, Europeans are buying 174 million. Asians, $83 million. North America, $73 million. Africa, $15 million. South America, $12 million. Oceania, $4.3 million. So who are the purchaser? And I mean major purchaser. Out of the $363 million, France is taking up 16.2%. 16.2%. France is taking up 16.2%, followed by Germany, 7.36%. Sorry. The major market in the US, 16.8%, followed by France, 16.2%, followed by Germany, 7.36%, followed by India, 6.66%, followed by China, 4.52%, followed by United Kingdom, 4.49%. Your major market, therefore, include United States, France, Germany, India, China, and the United Kingdom. These are the major buyers who are taking up about 50% of the market for gum Arabic. Now, let's look at the packaging of gum Arabic. The packaging of gum Arabic is very important. You need to choose packaging material that is clean and moisture resistant. Look at that word, moisture resistant. Remember, it's gum. Any contact with moisture will make it to begin to melt. A durable material, if you are going to use a sack, PP bag, it must be lying inside, such that if water pour on the exterior, the water will not get inside. If the water pour on the exterior, and it must be food grade bag. You know, sometimes, let's say for example, if you are exporting raw cashew nut, you can use a bag that is not so clean because they will remove the shell. But if you are exporting cocoa beans, if you are exporting sesame seed, if you are exporting ginger, you can't use a bag that is not very clean. You need to use a food grade. That means they are new bags, clean and dry. The packaging size will depend on what you agree. It has to be airtight, it has to be sealed, it has to be well labeled. Put a desiccant inside to absorb moisture. Put a desiccant inside to avoid moisture. Protect gum Arabic from direct sunlight exposure. It should be covered with material that is UV resistant, ultraviolet rays resistance. What are the problems you likely encounter when you are dealing with this product? The problem of foreign matter inside. The problem of moisture is the major headache. Just like every other commodity, impurities must be avoided. Moisture must be prevented. Microbial contamination must be avoided. Insect infestation must be avoided. Physical contaminant, because it's gum, a contaminant entering before it solidifies can become a permanent one. You want to avoid that. So, meaning the people harvesting need to be trained. Before we close, let's talk about the paperwork. For many commodities, almost all commodities actually, apart from the pre-export documentation, pro forma invoice, export license, and the likes, there are two other documents that you must not joke with. And this applies to ginger, it applies to sesame, it applies to cashew, and to this gum Arabic we are talking about. And that item is called phytosanitary and fumigation certificate. These documents are required for the shipment of this product to the destination, among other documents like bill of lading, invoice, and packing list. I believe this video has been of immense benefit to you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, drop in the comment section. You have a friend that needs to hear about this, send it to your friends. Share with your friends. Share with your friends. Share with your friends. More importantly is the fact that you can ask questions in the comment section to get more clarification or issues. But more importantly also for us is that you should subscribe to our channel. My name is Dele Ayemibo, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.